guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing some eyeshadow look. I know it's been like a long time. It's not a very long time, but I'm gonna create a look which is some kind of a halo eye look, because you guys been loving like my previous eyeshadow look, which is the orange eyeshadow makeup look. I'm not sure, I forgot the title, but you guys been liking that, and I also love that kind of look. It probably changed my whole eye look and my whole face. I'm gonna be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Okay, I'm gonna prime my eyelid first, and I'm gonna zoom in for you guys a little bit so you guys can see me better, you know. Okay, so I'm just gonna prime my eyelid using my foundation. By the way, all of the product will be listed down below, so make sure you guys check it out. I'm just gonna leave foundation sit there, and I'm just gonna go straight to the eyeshadow because I'm not gonna set the base. So I'm gonna take this shade. This is called Silk Cream. It's a transition shade. Then I'm gonna be taking the shade, this one. This is called Butter. I'm just gonna deepen up the eyeshadow look a little bit. So I'm gonna put the shadow like a little bit up higher than my crease. So I'm just gonna like tap the eyeshadow and then blend it out, you know. So, and then we're gonna blend it out using the first brush that we used before. And then I'm gonna blend the shadow. The next color that I'm gonna be taking is this warm orange shade. This shade right here. I'm still using the same brush. I'm gonna do this like messily, you know, because you're gonna cut the crease anyways. So what I do is I just put it on the crease area. I really hope you guys understand how I'm talking, because to be honest, I don't really know how to explain stuff. And I'm also gonna add like the shade here and here. I know it looks terrible, but don't worry, you're gonna blend it out later on. And then I'm gonna blend it out using the first shade that we used before, which is called Silk Cream. Then to deepen up the eyeshadow look, I'm gonna be taking the shade called Mocha. This is the shade. I'm not gonna put it on the crease area because I don't want it to be too dark. So I'm just putting it on the outer corner. I'm gonna be darken up just more using the shade. This one, this is called Chip. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a concealer now. I'm gonna cut the crease. I am using my NYX concealer, but you can use any concealer that you have in your house. Make sure that it is full coverage. Okay, so basically I'm gonna cut the crease just a little bit above my crease, like here. But I bring it all over the edge of my eye because I want to create that ombre eyeshadow look. So I'm just gonna like darken up the edges. Okay, so basically what I'm doing, I'm just taking the shade that we used before, which is called Mocha, and just tap the eyeshadow on the edge. gonna put the shadow the outer and in the corner. And then we're just gonna take the shade called Chip and bring it here. I'm gonna be taking the shade called Hunts again and put it here. Okay, and then I'm gonna blend. And then I'm gonna add some white shade on top. I'm gonna be taking this shade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray this brush so that you have more pigment, and putting it on the white shade. Blend the edges. Oh my god, I'm liking this. Oh god. And that's the eyeshadow look. Oh my god. I'm gonna do the other side. Also, I'm gonna be doing some falsies. So I'm gonna curl my lash. So I have done doing the eyes. Oh my god, I think I did pretty great. I think I kind of like it, you know. Okay guys, I'm gonna continue doing my face and I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, now I'm gonna continue doing my eye, my bottom, my lower lashes. I'm gonna be taking the shade called Butter. Then I took the shade called Hans. Next, I applied the shade Chip to darken it up. Moving on, taking a clean eyeshadow brush to blend the eyeshadow together. Okay, so what I did is I put like highlighter on my, I'm gonna put a highlighter on my inner corner. I'm gonna remove the lipstick first because I don't like having foundation on my lips. I'm gonna take the shade called Loving, this shade right here. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Oh my god, I can't believe I did this makeup look. I really can't believe I did this. I mean, I'm so proud of myself. I haven't been, you know, I've been lacking of doing some tutorials lately, but but I really hope you guys like this video. And if you guys enjoy this video, please give this a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please click the bell beside the subscribe button because it'll notify you whenever I post a new video, upload a new video. So if you guys haven't subscribed to me yet or click the bell button, please do so. Also, if you guys want to follow me on my social media, I have my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All will be linked down below. I don't think I want to say anything else. I don't know. So I'm gonna go now, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.